A sales executive for a paint manufacturing company recently ran a 3-week promotion to boost sales. But 3 weeks later, it cost more margin than it made. It's week 10 of 13, and they're only at 78% quota, and a dealer breached their credit limit mid-quarter. Then the CEO throws a curveball. What happens if we run a holiday free shipping promotion? Without a way to test it first, the only option is to guess. The sales executive used eTWIN, an AI-native digital twin from CEI. eTWIN creates a digital twin of the entire business, connecting sales, operations, and credit into one system. eTWIN then simulated thousands of scenarios in minutes, so the business can see the cross-domain impact before executing. The eTWIN simulated output determined there would be over 25% order volume increases, over 15% net profit achieved, 108% target attainment, and 3 dealers would be flagged for projected credit limit breaches. With one click, eTWIN executes across every connected system simultaneously. The promotion is launched, tested before it touched the real world. Today, enterprises run on disconnected systems. Tomorrow, enterprises will run on eTWIN. CEI, where decisions become actions.